Oh, here we go. Tub replacement check. So I busted the wall in the front, and then I realized I could save the tile. It was drywall, green board underneath. You can't save the drywall ever. Usually, if it's Durarock, I try to save the Durarock. I had to take the spigot off. But I got it out of that old jacuzzi tub. It was a bad leak. They wanted to put a new tub in. I told them, we got to get rid of that first row of tile. Have to find something to match. But I was able to save some tile. New tub, I had to take out a couple more rows. Cut it clean on the grout lines. Nice and level there. I'm going with the Go board for the repair of the drywall substrate. I got a bucket there because my plan was to take the tile, it's marble, soak it in some water and peel off the drywall and then scrape off the thin set or grind it. All right, got my Go board seam fabric, the sealant and P-traps and whatnot, the screws with the washers, all the extra stuff that make you buy with them boards. Like I said, if it was Durarock, I let it inch hang past the tile below. That way I could seal it better with a curdy band. Had to cut some of this Durarock back, tile underlayment for the floor. Mix up some thin set and set the tub correctly. You hear me? Whether it's a tub or a shower base, you should set it in some type of mud bed, some thin set. It could be I don't care what it is. Set it in something so that when it hardens, it is solid underneath, because these are plastic tubs. As you can see, those about 6 black little circle cups on the bottom of the tub, that's the only thing the tub sits on. So keep it concentrated underneath that area with your mud bed. Use the sealant for the Go board, top and bottom, right on top of the lip. I don't go past the lip. I put my boards on top of the lip. And if it's Durarock, I usually then set it and then rear guard shut of it. In this case, I use the sealant and I'll get this P-trap hooked up. If you hook it up from the bottom, it's better. Test the water, no leaks, good to go. Get the spout back hooked up. Oh, the sealant and the seam fabric to seal the lip and the tile substrate. Back in the basement. Oh, doubled up on this video, huh? No edits. But yeah, if you can hook it up from the bottom, it's always better. That way I just set the tub and worry about the connection afterwards. But if you can only do it from the top, it's a little harder, but it can be done. Get the overflow on, then set the tub. Tub spout, going for the weekend. Told them it was waterproof. They can use it, just don't splash a lot of water. All right, now for the fun part. My plan was to scrape the tile off. The drywall. It didn't come off as easy, but I got it off, chiseling a hammer, and then grind the thin set off. Got it smooth and good. Broke a couple pieces. Almost a waste of time because I went to Floor & Decor and I found the exact same tile. Like I said, it's marble, so it's pretty strong. It held up while I was scraping off the drywall and grinding the thin set off the back. But I got it. It was looking good. Coming together. Put it on the toilet and it failed. I was pissed. Oh my goodness. I had bought just enough. And I ain't have enough at that point. Nonetheless, run it up. It will be looking good in the neighborhood. The tub was a little bit lower. I had a wider gap than I usually like on the bottom. But now this is where I was trying to save the drywall. Have it hang below. Usually it's Durarock. All right. Coming together. Almost grout time. Clean up the grout lines. Grout prep. If you put the tile up clean, you ain't got to do that much grout prep. You hear me? I still got to finish the front pieces. I ran out of thin set. It was just all over the place. You're doing too much sometimes. Oh, I had Brian ran out of tile because I broke too many pieces. That's what it was. Grout. Get the pieces on. Oh, then What was it? Oh, I forgot my grinder. Couldn't even cut those pieces in the corner. Pissed. I'm missing the video. Nonetheless, got those pieces cut and came with some speed set so it could dry fast. It's a dry fast thin set. It's like the 5-minute thin set. Put those last couple pieces in. Then a little gap on the bottom. Use some Cove polystyrene, waterproof. Silicone, white silicone to seal that back in the basement to patch up my seam here. My repair. A little more grout. Clean up. Keep it clean. You hear me? You clean up as you go. All right. Almost there. Like I said, my gap on the bottom was a little bit bigger than I like, so end up stuffing it with grout, and then I'm a silicone on top. Not a lot of grout, okay? I leave some room for the silicone. But, oh, nice and thin. Keep it flat, keep it thin. Make it disappear. All right. Wider and wider as I feather. I'll do the whole ceiling, you hear me? I don't like sanding. No sanding between coats if you keep it thin. 5-minute only, topped with the yellow. Clean up, back upstairs. All right. Figuring out what I was going to do at the front. Coping with the grinder. It's polystyrene. Come back. Oh, painted yellow. Super thin. Put the fan on there, let it dry. Sand it with the vacuum. Minimum dust. Prime and paint. Ceiling paint. Come with the silicone inside corners and the bottom. And looking good.